Right now we are going to create a SPDS for 238 Pomeroy. 238 Pomeroy is actually a newly constructed home, so we only need one page of the SPDS for this property. So we go to zipformplus.com, new.zipformplus.com. We search for 238 retirement. I just searched 238. So we open a folder that was created for this home. So there's already a folder for this home. So if there's none, we just create a new one. So we just create a new folder for that this thing, and then we open the seller's property disclosure statement. If that isn't there, we just go to RF, Oregon Real Estate, and then we search for SPDS. So this one, we just click that, and then it will appear right here. So since we have that, we open that. Let's see if that's already been filled out. So we enter the property address to Retirement Lane, Cave Junction, Oregon. And then the seller, Howard and Howard Investments. Sellers. Alright, I think it's already good. So we'll go ahead and save this transaction into the form just so we have a record of our communication with our clients. So we save that document to our device. That means I'm saving it to my computer. Alright, then we close that, and then we proceed. We go to the folder. Alright, this is the folder. So we rename this 238 Pomeroy SPDS. So since SPDS, or Seller's Property Disclosure Statement, has how many pages is this? So more than one. So we only need the first page. So we delete this. So we cannot delete this using Adobe Acrobat. So we just go ahead and upload this to DocuSign. So we create a new, send in a new envelope. Right, we upload this, and then we search for the name of the sellers, Barbara Howard and Donald Howard. And then we click next. So after we click next, since we only need the first page, so we delete the other other pages. So delete. I just press enter. Click on this one, and then press enter. Okay. Alright, we now just have the first page on. Alright, so we now put the necessary signatures in here. And then Donald Howard. Then his name there. Then dates. Date signed right here. Date signed right here. Okay, that's it. Alright, if you have any questions, just let me know. And then wait said, or just save and close if Jared or Winnie want to review it first. Okay, thank you.